Welcome to JCE Connect. Today's subject is TQM 17ME 664 C Division Module 3.7. Myself Dr. Anand Kivasmani, Jain College of Engineering, Belagavi. Outline of the presentation: teams, definition, objective of a team, types of team. Let us see team. Most of the work is immaterial of the sector or area will be the most carried out in the groups. It is a very rare work carried out by individual until and unless it is personal. Work carried out by a group is a common sight found in almost all the places such as construction industry, hardware and software companies, hotel, restaurant and sports, so on. Employee involvement is optimized by the use of teams. Teams are not a for solving all quality and productivity problem, but in most instances they are effective. Definition: a group of people working together to achieve a objective or a goal is called as a team. The objective or goal may be solving problems, evolving the process, designing of the product, planning the exhibition, planning the conference, auditing the process. And the term is defined as a group of people working together to achieve common objectives or goals. Teamwork is the cumulative action of team during which each member of the team subordinate his individual interest and opinions to fulfill the objective or goals of the group. The goal or objective to be accomplished: something such as solve a problem, improve a process, design a refrigerator, plan a conference, audit a process, or please a customer. It needs to be clearly defined, have a milestone set, have a resource provided, and use a systematic approach. Members of the team will need to focus on how they relate to each other, listen to the suggestion of others, build on previous information, and use conflict creatively. They will need to set standards, maintain discipline, build team spirit, and motivate each other. Each member of the team has their own history and experience to help and achieve the goal. They should have a need to see the task completed, but also the need of fulfillment of personal growth and self respect. Then another thing we'll see, that is why team works. Team work because many heads are more knowledgeable than one. Each member of the team has a special ability that can be used to solve the problems. Many processes are so complex that one person cannot be knowledgeable concerning the entire process. Second, the whole is greater than the sum of its member. The interaction within the team produces results that exceeds the contribution of each member. The team member develop a rapport with each other that allows them to do better job. Finally, teams provide the vehicle for improved communication, thereby increasing the likelihood of successful solution. Next we have, that is types of team. In types of team we have, that is process improvement team, natural work team, self-directed, cross-functional team. The early history suggests that the work simplification effort by management and labor were most likely the first production-oriented teams. The development of quality control circles by Japanese in 1961 is considered to be a beginning of the use of teams to improve quality. Quality control circles are a group of people from one work unit who voluntarily meet together on a regular basis to identify, analyze, and solve a quality and other problems within this area. They choose their own problem and focus on quality of work life and health safety issue rather than on improving work process. Let us see this process improvement. In process improvement, the members of the process improvement team represent each operation of the process or a sub process. Usually, the scope of the team activity is limited to the work unit. A team of about 6 to 10 members will come from work unit, and depending on the location of the sub process, an external or internal supplier and external or internal customer will be included on the team. Next we have that is natural work team. In natural work team, it is composed of all the members of the work unit. It differs from quality control circles because a manager is a part of the team and projects to be improved and selected by management. Some employee may opt not to work in team for a variety of responses, and manager should anticipate this action and to be prepared to help employee become comfortable in the team environment, or alternative find work in another unit that still performs work as individual even though teamwork is technically feasible. Next we have that is a self-directed or self-managed work team. There are an extension of natural work team without the supervisor. They are empowered organization. They not only do the work but also manage it. There is a wide discretion to organize their work subject to the organizational workflow requirement. There is a team coordinate to senior management. They may rotate among members. The team meets daily to plan their activities, and decisions are usually by consequences. And next we have that is a cross-functional team. A team in cross-functional team, a team about 6 to 10 members will represent a number of different functional areas such as engineering, marketing, accounting, production, quality, human resource. It may also include the customer and supplier. This is about the types of team. Thank you very much for all of you for watching.